My name is Ambassador Wale Ojolanre. I'm the Director General, Ekiti State Bureau of Tourism Development. I have first of all to congratulate Osun State, particularly the Governor of Osun State, Dr. Ademola Jackson Adeleke, for deeming it fit to organize and to sponsor this regional program. I'm very happy that tourism reintegration policy or initiative has taken root, and it started with the first or the maiden edition from Osun State. Honestly speaking, while I was coming with the mind that maybe it may not be the first edition, it may not be a very successful edition. But coming here today, since last time I came, I visited here, I saw the preparation, and I know that the governor has got it right. It has been a very huge success. I brought goodwill from Ekiti State Governor. I brought a delegation of about 21 from Ekiti, because Osun is a cultural center. We brought masquerade, cultural dancing and troops, and we're able to market Ekiti culture. And we're able to tell the people that Ekiti started cultural integration in Western region, and it started from Osun Igede that left Igede, settled in Osogbo, then traveled to Oyo, Ogun, down to Lagos and the Atlantic Ocean. So it has been a successful program. Kudos to Governor, kudos to Osun Tourism Board, kudos to Federation of Tourism Association of Nigeria. Thank you very much. I hope it will be a grand success, more better than this next year. Thank you.